Everybody, it's Matt here at Sparkle Farm. It's a heavy project day. Doing something I've never done before, which is take these cylinders off. So we're taking off one, the extended hoe, two, and the arm cylinder. I'm having a company rebuild them for me. I just don't feel confident enough to rebuild them. Just being that the seals are expensive and I've never done it before, so I guess I just don't want to learn because I'd rather just get this thing up and going. There's other stuff for me to be into, so it is what it is. So let's get to it. And just so you know, I've never taken these off before, so I really have no idea. I've just been kind of looking at them the last few days between projects and seeing what needs to be done. All right, let's get to it. All right, now we gotta start with getting this giant cotter pin out of here. So we got cardboard down here to catch everything, but okay, that pin moves, which is good. Let's see what we have to do up here. Looks like a big E-ring, and then pop that pin out. So I'm using a brass hammer so I don't mess any of that up. Alright, that pin moves too, sweet. Alright, so let's disconnect the hydraulic lines. Let's hope it's not too big of a mess. I don't want to break these lines either. The one that I just fixed up front was $70 some, and that was the 3-foot one. But I will get new O-rings that go inside. I'll show you what they are when I get there. Whoa! I hope honey stays out of all of this. But she's always here helping. Well, I guess it's good. Just get all this crap oil out. Obviously there's water in it somewhere. Okay, now lines are disconnected, that's out. Let's keep working on these pins then. That's every bit of 100 pounds. Okay, looks like there's gonna be some cleaning going on right there. I need to get to the nut that's under there. My 30 years of grease and leaves and guess 30 some years of 40 years of grease is a good thing. All right, onto the cardboard you go. See if this will help. All right, we got the cylinders out. You can see that zerk fitting definitely was not working. There's no grease in there. So the pins are a little difficult to come out. I didn't realize that the GoPro on my head died till I was kind of finishing up, but I ended up having to put a floor jack underneath to do like micro adjustments to relieve pressure of pulling the pins out. I could get them so far and get the original pin out, but then I guess the branch and the pipe got stuck because everything tweaked. So putting the floor jack underneath it, I was able to get it where I needed to pull it out. But look how dry those are in there. So I might actually run the hone for cylinders in them, just to get rid of that rust so they go back together easy, because these things are heavy. I'm just going to clean up all the tools, bag up all the pieces, parts that are not going to go back on, and just have them out here, or I'll probably put them on the floor in the cab area just so nothing happens. I don't hit them with the mower. And later this evening, I got some running around to do, but later this evening I will back my truck up here and put those two in. So that one and that one. This one, holy smokes, that's gonna be everything I got to move that one without dropping it. All right, so yeah, we're not pulling the Extend-A-Hoe one out today. I think the GoPro actually died because of overheat, because it was hot to the touch, and I took the battery out and I had to put that down on the concrete counters to cool off. That was just plain hot. You didn't even want to hold it. All right, well, let's bag it up. Morning, everybody. Hey, it's a nice day here out on Sparkle Farm. good things happened last night. Late in the afternoon, I got a phone call about the cylinder or the 2 cylinders for the backhoe. And it just happens that one of my buddies was over. So we jumped in the truck, we went and got them, and we installed them real quick last night before all the mosquitoes came out. So yeah, this is awesome. Very happy with everything. I think I still need to make some adjustments with the hoses. Like when this got rebuilt, I think they took this out and just, you know, they just put it however it worked for them. So we got it all back together. I fired it up. Everything worked how it should. No leaks on the stuff that we fixed, but we really lucked out. So this is the Extend-A-Hoe. So this part extends, and that gives me like an extra like 4 feet of digging. So the problem is a fitting right here. So it's still a project to get it out and fix it, but it saves me a couple $100. Just by probably changing some O-rings, and I hope that's all it is. Most likely that's what it is. So very happy about that. But yeah, you know, another nice sunny day. But we've gone from being crazy wet to all the plants around the area are a little thirsty. But our water levels are still high though. Oh man, yeah, very happy. Took us about an hour and a half, 2 hours to get this all back together. These things are heavy enough where you see spots, so I was very lucky that my buddy came over. He just stopped by to visit, but I recruited him to work. So good thing he's a good guy like that. He doesn't care. He likes to do stuff. All right, well, just a quick update on that, but we're gonna get into our projects for the day here on Sparkle Farm. All right, today is basically just cleanup day. We've had a bunch of projects, like the backhoe here and some trailer stuff and digging over there, and everything's just kind of spread out. So I think just because we have to look at it, it's not that it's a problem, everything's everywhere, but well, I guess we're having some people over tomorrow. Some old friends who we haven't seen in a while, actually since we've moved here, and they're available, we're available, and just want to put some stuff away so it doesn't look as messy when they come out and get their first impression. So that is going to be a big part of today. Yeah, and then if we have time for other stuff, we'll get into that, but it's just well, this was out in the yard, so let's put some stuff away and we'll go from there.